Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. I wanted to talk about a comment I had received. It was basically along the lines of, why don't you just give up the bow drill? And as you can see, as I introed this video with it, I did get a flame going. I used a little jute twine, comment from another gentleman. I think it was a gentleman. If I'm wrong, I'm sorry. Totally drawn a blank. I really should take notes. So, yeah, I got the flame going. And I wanted to talk about giving up on things. You know, there are probably 500 channels on YouTube that do 100 times better with the bow drill, but they probably put in the time and the work to get to that level. See, I'm still working on that level. Even though I've been running my channel for years, I have a full-time job, so I can't just go out to the woods whenever I want to. And to be totally honest, the only time I practice bow drill is on video. So it's now what, the 8th time I think? Maybe 9, 10? I'd have to look, but that's only 10 times I've done it. Like total. I'm using that set that was given to me. I tried to go buy another set. I actually would probably buy another set, but it's not available on their website. The Amazon store doesn't have them. I've been meaning to contact them or see if they have a website, see if they're there. But I like the set. It's a good thing to practice on. I've gotten a coal off the same hole now like several times, so it's a good set. It's a good teaching tool. Like anything, some things just take work. I've had comments from people saying that, hey, I've been trying the bow drill for 3 years, I still haven't gotten a coal yet. It's like, yeah, 3 years is a long time. I mean, I'd have to look to see when my first bow drill was, bow drill video, but it was like in the first year I started making YouTube. So I've been doing YouTube videos, what, 4 or 5 years. I didn't do it for a long time, but then I got a message, hey, you want to try this set? And I said, yeah. So, I mean, everybody had to start somewhere. I mean, I bet even Ray Mears and Morris Kohansky had to start somewhere. I'm sure that they just didn't wake up. They weren't just born with a bow drill set in their hand. They had to actually put the work in. So, yeah, I'm not gonna give it up. I mean, I still like it. There's parts of the channel that I don't want to just do the same thing on video over and over again. I like mixing it up. I like practicing with other fire making. I just did 2 videos. Today, along with the bow drill, I did some dry grass and I did some lichen. I did, you gotta stay sharp. You gotta keep your skills going. Got a couple other video ideas too. I wanna look at maybe a little bit down the road, but I'm still doing it because it's fun. It's still fun. This is what I like to do. And I like to be at least practiced at a level where, hey, if I got hurt out here, or I got lost, or I got stuck and I couldn't get out. I mean, if you come out here and you practice, maybe you practice a shelter, maybe you practice a fire. Those things that you need, when you need them. I mean, some might just say, well, you're just stringing up a tarp in the woods. Like, well, yeah, but I'm also, thinking about, how I want to string it up and where I would put my fire, and because it might be fall when the temperatures get pretty darn cold at night. It's like, I mean, it's a lot warmer during the day than it is at night. In fact, I'm just sweating because I did the bow drill again. So, what is all this stuff? And filthy. So, just want to touch on that. As always, appreciate you watching, and if I think of something else to add to this, I'll throw it at the end. So, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.